Meet Leo. He's a bright 7-year-old boy. Leo is your typical second grader, running, playing, and building forts out of pillows and toy blocks. But when playtime ends, Leo transforms into Captain Clean, the fearless defender of sparkle and shine. Armed with his mighty sponge, his bubble shield. Today's mission? The Great Toy Cleanup. The living room looks like a mini tornado passed through. Blocks, cars, dolls, all over the floor. But Captain Clean doesn't panic. He rolls up his sleeves, turns on the tap, and lets the water whirl. Operation Bubble Storm, go! He shouts. Toys swirl in the soapy water, bubbles rise like tiny clouds, and giggles fill the air. Balancing fun and responsibility, Leo learns that keeping things clean isn't just a chore, it's a superpower. The cleaner the room, the brighter it feels. And when everything sparkles, Captain Clean knows his job is done. By the end of the day, Leo looks around proudly. Because real heroes don't just save the day, they keep it clean.